from here. So to explode it, I have to take off because here I have already taken. So that was now we're getting so far. Okay, so this one was the thing when the bomb is showed you. What? So I will just put it now.
Huh?
Now I have one bomb which is very new. Like when we ignite this bomb, it will fly up in the sky. Let me just get it ready. Taking off this was not sufficient, so I did not only take it off. So yeah, it's fly up. I think.
Oh my god.